What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how I made this rear sun pad cushion for my Sea Ray. When I bought the boat last year, it did come with the original cushion, but while I was towing it a few months ago back from the lake, it blew off, and these things are very prone to catching wind, and so I didn't have a strap on it like I should have, just like this one. And so while I was towing it, it blew off, and we went back the next day and I couldn't find it. So I probably will at some point get it professionally done by an upholstery shop, but with the pandemic going on and everything, I haven't gotten any responses back from anyone. So this one is by no means perfect, but I was able to get it done for around $50, and we took it out last weekend and it held up just fine. One thing I'd like to add is that the most expensive part of the cushion usually is the dense foam that you need to use. So since I was making this as a temporary cushion and I didn't want to spend a ton of money, I decided to use this interlocking floor stuff from Costco. It's about 1 inch thick and it's just foam, and it has these interlocking things here. And so a whole pack of this is 20 bucks at Costco. And so this is what I used instead of using the dense foam. And it's not super cushy, but it's definitely more comfortable to sit on than just plain wood. And I will include an Amazon link for something similar. I was just on the Costco website today and I wasn't finding exactly what I used, so I'll see what I can find for that. So I had my camera recording a time lapse during pretty much the whole process, and so I've turned that into a video, and I'll go ahead and play that for you guys now. Just before the video starts, I will include a slide of all the materials and tools that I used, just so you guys have that beforehand. thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that was helpful for some of you. I would say from start to finish, the total process for this took around 6 hours or so, so it definitely wasn't a quick process. There's a lot of cutting and measuring. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.